Hello and welcome back. Steel Pinnings here once again, and today I have for you another challenge lock. This one pinned by Big Willy the Locksmith. And we're going to see if we can get it done on camera. We're going to hope at least, right? At least I'm hoping. And I think I'm going to try and just use my gem, work off that right ledge, zoom in a touch for us, in the middle here, perfect. That's not perfect, that didn't stay for nothing, did it? My heavens. That one's got to be undercut. It doesn't want to go up. Alright, we're going to move on to this wrench and see if it does us any better. The number 4 pin is literally locked down on the bottom. Cannot get up underneath it, no matter what. Just gonna see if I could get lucky and get past it. I don't see that happening either. It might be set, as if it doesn't drop back down again. Which we just heard it fall. We are open. Thank goodness. That thing has been a thorn in my side, man. I tell you what. I am so eager to get into this so we can all see what kind of love he put into this lock. Because he definitely put some love into it. That's for sure. Alright. Looks like a standard C-clip. Phew. It locked it up back up anyhow. We'll have to get the key out of here. There we go. Kwikset key here. Now look at that. That's how smooth that is. That's pretty nice. Alright, we're going to turn it to us a little bit. What happened to my follower? I lost my follower. It will not follow me. Oh, well, covered it up. Yeah, but that'll be alright. Not this one though. I think it'll work better. Yep. Heavens, that was sticky. All the pins are in and working nice. Oh yeah, lots of love there. Alright, let's get these out so we can look at them better here. 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard. And 5 is standard. Now look at this. We've got threading in 1 and 5 and some seriously deep counter milling in 2. Oh yeah. Oh wow. That's a hanger right there. And 4. Great job on those, Willie. Great job. That's some serious undercutting in that. See, we got up top side. He said he didn't cut any pins himself, so he's probably got standard commercial pins up here. Let's find out. Yep. Yeah, that's commercial serrated with a little bitty spring. Let's see there, commercial spool, and 2 with a little bigger spring. 3 had a standard. There's another little bitty spring. Another spool and 4, same as in 2 with the spring. Oops. And number 5 is a serrated commercial with the small spring again. And do not believe he's done anything to the Bible. Let's see, there's nothing down up in there. Alright. So this is what we have from Big Willy the Locksmith. And zoom in and we'll get a good look at these keys. Or key pins. Pins. Alright. All the bottoms were standard. And the top he had a commercial serrated, a commercial spool, a standard, and then another commercial spool and another commercial serrated, with varying the spring tension in these, with the small and then a little larger, small, a little larger, and a small again. So that's what we have here. Awesome, awesome. I thank y'all so much for joining me on this. Y'all, please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here on this channel, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, peace.